Hey guys, I wanted to make a video on how to add folding back seats into this car. And I watched a YouTube video before doing this, to figure out how to fold the existing seats, because my car doesn't have folding back seats. If you look right here, there's no release cable like this one to pull down on, pull and then make it fold. But if you look right here, my car definitely has the hinges to do so. And this seat was actually originally locked in position. I released it. So to release it, this is the latch that goes in the back. All Jaguar XFs come with a hinge and they come with this lock. But this lock, in some of them, has the cable to release. Some of them doesn't have the cable to release. Mine is a rear wheel drive 3.0 liter supercharged with blind spot, with the automatic rain sensing wipers, sunroof, like all of these different features. It has a back sunshade. So mine has like pretty much all the options that were available at the time, except adaptive cruise control. So I thought it was a little odd that this didn't have this. But anyhow, so I had another car. I have two of these cars. I have a black one and a gray one. This is the black one, and the gray one was a base model all-wheel drive, that with the same engine, same transmissions, and no features though. So, but that car had folding back seats. And I think that what Jaguar does is they put folding back seats in the all-wheel drive model and not in the rear-wheel drive model. Correct me if I'm wrong, I'm not sure. I'm just assuming based on the two cars I have. But so now I'm gonna add it. And to add it, it's very simple. Once you just have to go under here. There's a little not plastic, there's a felt cover. There's four plastic rivets, one here, one here, and then on the other side, another side. And this panel goes in like this. You can kind of see it goes in just like that, up against there. So it's very easy to remove. Once you remove that, then you go under here, and in this little hole you can see the latch. And now see how there's a left one, there's a right one, and there's a spring in the between connecting them. That's the same as what you see right here. So now you pull on the right one and it unlocks. So right now, so this is the locked position, and you pull on the right one and it unlocks. The only difference between this latch and the one over there is that there is a cable connecting here. That's literally the only difference. I don't know why they saved these like 10 cents on this stupid cable to not put it in, but that was a decision Ford made, I guess. But anyhow, once you get it unfolded, you can replace the latch with this one. Like, you can buy these on eBay. They're fairly cheap, like I think like 40 bucks for two or something. Or you can literally tie a string to the hole right over there. And I have the left side one also. So this is the passenger side, and this one here, this one is the driver's side. So driver's side is a mirror image, exactly the same, just on the opposite side hole, mirror image. So same thing, you can literally just tie a string here and have it tucked up under here so you can pull on it. Easy solution. For me, I already have the latches, so I'm gonna put them in. I don't need to modify mine because it's way easier for me to just put it in. So anyways, thanks for watching. I hope this helps.